This is a 2017 TurboTax file. You cannot import this into this year's tax software to autofill your data because the gap is too large. You can only open it for reference using the 2017 software. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. I'll explain the limits. Consider this your first line of defense. A universal viewer bypasses many common TAX 2017 Windows errors. This is my personal favorite utility for this task, and I will be discussing it soon. A TAX 2017 file is associated with the TurboTax software and likely contains a guide or documentation related to the 2017 tax year. This could include instructions, tips, and explanations of tax laws and regulations relevant to filing taxes for that specific year. It assists users in navigating the TurboTax software and understanding their tax obligations. The TAX 2017 file is likely a proprietary format used by TurboTax to store its help and guide content. It may contain formatted text, images, and interactive elements to provide a user-friendly experience. The file is designed to be accessed and viewed within the TurboTax application. You will typically find TurboTax 2017 developed by Intuit Inkai associated with TAX 2017. The archive's size and complexity exceed the handling capability of native Windows features. Windows provides a shell-level view, but the data itself must be read by the intended software. The solution starts by inspecting the application list. Right-click the TAX 2017 file and choose Open With. Use TurboTax 2017 as your primary choice. If it fails, select another program. Be systematic in your testing. If your TAX 2017 file continues to fail when opening, that is okay. Let's keep moving forward. We're isolating the TAX 2017 problem to one of three basic causes. This next steps provide a quick, reassuring breakdown of what to look for. First, install the correct software year. Tax files are not backward compatible. You must have TurboTax 2017 installed to read the tax logic embedded in this file. Next, update the program. Tax laws change mid-season. Ensure TurboTax is updated to the latest patch level to prevent calculation errors or read failures. Finally, use PDF backup. If the .tax 2017 file is corrupted, check your Documents folder for a PDF export which contains the visual representation of the forms. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. A helpful next step is to try a utility that attempts to bypass standard file associations by using raw-level data inspection to better identify the file's likely origin. At this point, I recommend our one-click fix, the Universal Viewer. My top recommendation is FileMagick. It opens almost any format and is available right now at filemagick.com. Let me know in the comments if that file is open. Subscribing ensures you never miss another one-click solution.